In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zillow and Monarch Money. Let's get started. Connecting Zillow allows Monarch to automatically track your property's estimated value using the Zestimate, helping improve your net worth accuracy. To set this up on desktop, go to the Accounts page and click Add Account. Select the section for adding assets like real estate, crypto, and more, then select Zillow. Next, search for your home address and choose the correct property from the list. After that, select the property type, like primary home or rental, then click Save. Once added, Monarch will automatically sync the value on a regular basis. If you already added your property manually, you can edit that account and turn on the option to sync value from Zillow instead of creating a new one. For a more complete view, you can also link your mortgage as a liability so you can see your actual home equity. If your property doesn't show a value, it may not have a Zestimate yet, so you may need to check directly with Zillow. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.